day, kids! I'm Ma'am War, your teacher in Mathematics 4. Make sure you have pen and paper for taking notes. Be fully present, pay attention, and remove distractions. Today, we will learn how to multiply numbers up to 3 digits by numbers up to 2 digits without regrouping. Let us first understand the concept of multiplication. The answer in multiplication is called product. Numbers that are being multiplied are labeled as multiplier and the multiplicand, or they are sometimes both called factors. Now, let us find the product of these numbers as fast as you can. 9 times 8. Correct! It's 72. 12 times 5. Excellent! It's 60. 23 times 3. Perfect! It's 69. 17 times 4. Very good! It's 68. And last, 42 times 8. Terrific! It's 336. Now, let's take a look in this picture. What do you see in the picture? Right, it's a mango orchard. Do you have fruit trees in your farm or backyard? Is it good to plant trees? Why? Right, it is good to plant trees because some of the many reasons is that trees help clean the air we breathe, filter the water we drink, and provide habitat to over 80% of the world's terrestrial biodiversity. Let us read and analyze this given problem. Mang Leo and his co-workers can deliver 231 coconuts in a day. How many coconuts can they deliver in 23 days? To answer this, let's answer the following questions. How many coconuts can Mang Leo and his co-workers deliver in a day? Correct. Mang Leo and his co-workers can deliver 231 coconuts in a day. What is asked for in the problem? Right. The total number of coconuts they deliver in 23 days. How can you solve the problem? We can solve the problem by multiplying. So we have 231 times 23. 231 is the multiplicand and 23 is the multiplier. We have two solutions. First, by using the short method. Step 1, let us multiply the multiplicand 231 by the multiplier 3 in ones place. So we have 1 times 3, that is 3. 3 times 3, that is 9. And 2 times 3, that is 6. Our partial product is 693. Step 2. Let us multiply again the multiplicand 231 by the multiplier 2 in tens place. Okay, remember to leave the one space blank. So we have 1 times 2, that is 2. 3 times 2, that is 6. 2 times 2, that is 4. Our second partial product is 462. Step 3. Let us add the partial products. So we have 693 plus 462. Let us bring down 3. Then 9 plus 2, that is 11. Bring down 1, regroup 1. 6 plus 6, that is 12. Plus 1, that is 13. Bring down 3, regroup 1. 4 plus 1, that is 5. The final product is 5,313. Solution 2 by using the long method. This method uses the distributive property of multiplication over addition. First, write the multiplicand and the multiplier in expanded form. So, digit 2 is equals to 200. Digit 3 is equals to 30. Digit 1 is equals to 1. So, our multiplier is 23. Digit 2 is equals to 20. Digit 3 is equals to 3. Next, multiply the digit in ones place by the multiplicand. So, we have 1 times 3, this one. 30 times 3, this one. 200 times 3, this one. Then, multiply the digit in tens place by the multiplicand. So, our tens place is 20. We have 1 times 20, this one. 30 times 20, this one. And 200 times 20, this one. Lastly, add all the products. So, we have 200 times 20, that is 4,000, plus 30 times 20, that is 600, plus 1 times 20, that is 20. Then plus 200 times 3, that is 600, plus 30 times 3, that is 90, plus 1 times 3, that is 3. So, the final product is 5,313. Okay, kids, which method is easier and faster to use? You may use any of the method where you find easier. Again, how do you multiply a 3-digit multiplicand by a 2-digit multiplier without regrouping? First, multiply all the digits in the multiplicand from right to left by each digit in the multiplier. Then add the partial products to get the final product. Now, get your pen and paper. Let's try to multiply numbers up to 3 digits by 2 digits without regrouping. Ready? Find the product. Use any of the two methods. Number 1, 304 times 22. Number 2, 312 times 33. Number 3, 432 times 32. Number 4, 857 times 11. Number 5, 432 times 23. Number 6, 323 times 31. Number 7, 421 times 32. Number 8, 344 times 32. Number 9, 344 times 22. And 10, 433 times 12. Very good, kids! Since you got the correct answers, I'll give you 5 stars. Again, I'm Ma'am War. Thank you! Good day, kids! I'm Ma'am War, your teacher in Mathematics 4. Make sure you have pen and paper for taking notes. Be fully present, pay attention, and remove distractions. Today, we will learn how to multiply numbers up to 3 digits by numbers up to 2 digits with regrouping. Now, let's take a look in this picture. What can you see in the picture? Right, it's a different kinds of fruits. What is your favorite fruit? Philippine fruits are comparable, if not better, than foreign fruits. By buying Philippine fruits, we can help our economy. What character traits do you show if you use or buy our own Philippine product? Let us read and analyze this given problem. The Department of Environmental and Natural Resources or DENR in Cagayan City distributed mango seedlings to all barangays for tree planting. If they distributed 169 seedlings to 35 barangays, how many seedlings did they distribute? To solve this, let's answer the following questions. How many mango seedlings did the DENR give to each barangay? Correct. The DENR gave 169 mango seedlings to each barangay. How many barangays will be given? Right. There are 35 barangays. What will you do to solve the problem? We can solve the problem by multiplying. So we have 169 times 35. 169 is the multiplicand and 35 is the multiplier. We have 2 solutions. First, by using the short method. Step 1, let us multiply 169 by 5. Regroup when the product is 10 or greater. So we have 9 times 5, that is 45. Bring down 5, regroup 4. 6 times 5, that is 30, plus 4, 34. Bring down 4, regroup 3. 1 times 5, that is 5 plus 3, 8. So the first partial product is 845. Step 2. Let us multiply again 169 by 3. Regroup when the product is 10 or greater. So we have 9 times 3, that is 27. Bring down 7, regroup 2. 6 times 3, that is 18, plus 2, 20. Bring down 0, regroup 2. 1 times 3, that is 3, plus 2, that is 5. So the second partial product is 507. Step 3, add the partial products to get the final product. So we have 845 plus 507. Let us bring down 5. 4 plus 7, that is 11. Bring down 1, regroup 1. 8 plus 1 plus 0, that is 9. Then bring down 5. The final product is 5,915. The second solution is by using the lattice method to find the product of 169 and 35. Use 2 by 3 lattice. Position the factors as shown below. Let us multiply each digit above by each digit on the side. Write the digits product as shown below. So we have 9 times 5, that is 45. 6 times 5, that is 30. 1 times 5, that is 5. Then 9 times 3, that is 27. 6 times 3, that is 18. Then 1 times 3, that is 3. Add down the numbers along the diagonals. Regroup when necessary. So we have here 5, bring down 5. 7 plus 4 plus 0, that is 11. Bring down 1, regroup 1. 2 plus 8 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1, that is 19. Bring down 9, regroup 1. Then 1 plus 3 plus 1, that is 5. So the final product is 5,915. Okay, kids, which method is easier and faster to use? You may use any of the method where you find easier. How do we multiply numbers with up to 3 digits by numbers with up to 2 digits with regrouping? First, multiply all the digits in the multiplicand from right to left by each digit in the multiplier to get the first partial product. Then regroup when necessary. Then add the partial products to get the final product. Now get your pen and paper. Let's try to multiply numbers up to 3 digits by 2 digits with regrouping. Ready? Again, I'm Ma'am War, your teacher in Mathematics 4.